How to do title reveal text effect. To begin, I added a colored background to my timeline and I want to create a title reveal text effect. Use the Type tool and type a text. Then go to Captions and Graphics and click on these two buttons to align it horizontally and vertically. Now use Rectangle tool and drag a rectangle over your text. And at the bottom of Essential Graphic panel, check the Mask with Shape property. Now go to Effect Controls and move the playhead at the start, and expand the text. Click on the stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe, then increase Position second value until the text disappeared from preview. Move the playhead a little forward and decrease Position second value until the text appeared in the preview, to create the second keyframe. Move the second keyframe closer to the first one to increase the speed of effect. Select both keyframes and right-click on one of them, and choose Temporal Interpolation, Ease In to smooth the effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.